If your old sensor is in good condition but not working, please watch Part 1. If your sensor is damaged, please watch Part 2. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Simply follow the steps provided to put your system into test mode. During this time, you will hear several beeps and tones coming from your panel. In the box, you will find two different pieces. Note the difference between the sensor and the magnet. The larger piece is the sensor, and the smaller piece is the magnet. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to replace your sensor and magnet. It's helpful to take a photo you can reference afterwards to confirm the new sensor is mounted correctly. The sensor is usually placed on the frame, and the magnet is usually placed on the door or window. But in some instances, this may be reversed. Follow the same placement used by your installation technician originally. Take the new sensor and place it on a flat surface. Find the arrow indicating down toward the indentation. Carefully insert the flathead end of your screwdriver into the indentation. You should be able to easily separate the cover from the sensor. Now go to your old sensor and repeat the same process while it is mounted. With the same flathead screwdriver, insert the flathead end into the bottom left and push forward. Slide the back plate to release. If there are screws, remove them before proceeding. Now carefully twist both the sensor and the magnet side to side to remove them. First, thoroughly clean the surface where you will be placing the sensor. This ensures the devices will stay fixed in place. Insert the new battery, taking note of the positive and negative terminals. Peel and stick the adhesive tape to the back of the sensor and the magnet. Mount the sensor with the magnet indicator pointing to the door magnet location. Mount the magnet pointing to the door sensor indicator. The sensor and magnet shouldn't be positioned more than ½ inch apart. Press and hold them in place for 20 seconds. Open and close the door a few times to make sure the pieces don't shift, hit one another, or fall off. To have your sensor programmed into the system after replacement, please contact activate@guardianprotection.com with your name, address, and phone number. For assistance, please call 1-855-367-0240. For more information and tutorials, please visit us at guardianprotection.com/support.